like a little lizard bug. It does. It's got red on it.
A lizard bug?
There's a bug.
Bugs everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Sleeping. We got little green bugs that keep jumping and they like do little dance moves. See if I can catch him. There he goes. Doing his dance.
It looks red from here.
It is reddish. It's not as green as the other ones. It's like a little lizard bug. It does. It's got red on it.
A lizard bug?
Stupid bug freaked me out. We just played it back and it's freaking hilarious. We've had them bouncing off of us since we got here yesterday, and I don't know why that one freaked me out. So we're camping. It's 4th of July weekend. Oh, can't hold my phone up because I didn't bring my tripod. My hair looks ridiculous. Got here yesterday at what, 3:30? Yeah. Just hanging out. You can hear the people in the background, pleasant neighbors. So that's fun. It's not bad though. It's a nice campground. We started coming here, or we came here for the first time like 2 years ago. It's just hot. 90-degree days, 90 to 92. I drug Scott out earlier and we hunted down a grocery store because I was supposed to pack hot dogs, hamburgers, taco salad, and then all the snacks. Well, I packed hot dogs, taco salad, and snacks. We had hot dogs for dinner last night, taco salad for lunch this afternoon. So we went and bought some steaks, and we'll have baked potatoes and corn on the cob. So it'll be good. And last night we had a raccoon. Scott's chair was sitting where it's at now. I'm gonna flip you guys around. Scott's chair was sitting right there. My chair was like right next to that table. I just moved over here because of the sun. So we're sitting here, it's dark out, sitting by the fire, and Scott just randomly goes, "That's a raccoon." So it walked like right up here, and then behind us is the truck. And it just kind of hung out. Scott shone a flashlight on it, and it just kind of looked like, oh shit, sorry guys. And wandered away, so we'll see what happens tonight. And we've had a hummingbird. We've had a hummingbird. What did I name the raccoon?
Rocket.
Trash panda. So yeah, we got some neighbors up the hill, up that way, that were just screaming at each other last night, so it was fun. A few too many, perhaps. But so far so good. It's just warm, but it's nice and relaxing.
Cold at night.
Yeah, it was cold last night. We had a sheet covering us in the tent and a fan on. I move my hands, you can't see my fingers. And it was comfortable when we fell asleep, but then in the middle of the night we both woke up cold. But we brought a little bit thicker blankets. They're just really short blankets, so it's still better than earlier. I tried to take a nap in the tent earlier and it was like 8,000 degrees in there. Gross, so won't do that again. I'm gonna try and get closer. Where's he at? There he is. See if I can see him in here.
Watch the guy lines.
See him pecking? He saw me. I can't see him. Turd. There he goes. Yep.
Keep going.
And then you have these guys. It won't focus because it's on the outside. No, I'll go around. There we go. Pooping on our screen house. There's a stinger too. Or something that looks like a stinger.
I'll give you a shiny report if you eat it.
Nope. There was a big one over here earlier. It landed on the tent. And somebody flicked it. It wasn't focused on you. Caterpillar flicker.
It's my screen house, not theirs.
No, yeah. Got potatoes in the fire pit. And the corn going in. A couple minutes. Doing a tour through the campground before we leave. Up the hill where people scream and cuss at each other all night long.
No, we can't go that way because it's private.
That's okay. No, it's not. It's a cabin. Oh, it says private drive, but it's private to that cabin probably. I don't know. Cabin.
Nobody's coming out. We're good.
The glades.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Never mind. Maybe we shouldn't have done this.
Yeah.
This wasn't here last time.
Wouldn't?
I don't think so.
We didn't get a spot up here.
Rather packed. And how do we get out?
Well, we have to turn around, obviously.
Okay, well let's figure that out.
We'll get it.
Okay. This is the part I saw last time. Because when Piper, the dog, came and found us, I brought her up here.
Yeah. So, okay, well.
She belonged to the farm on the other side of this fence here.
Yeah. So this is all that's up here?
Yeah. It's just more campsites. They have porta potties.
Oh, that'd be a fun fire.
My.
There's picnic tables down there.
How much to see up here? Bathrooms down there. We were right over there. Brown building's the rec house. Never seen anybody go into it or out of it.
Going to the right?
Yep. Little creek that was behind us. More campsites down here. definitely expanded since the last time we were here.
I was back there, but I don't think I should go back there.
Okay. The campsite's right behind where we were. People that were staying right here. Complete jackasses. Almost like, no, it was like right here.
I thought it was up here.
Was it?
I think so.
It might have been. Either way, they were jackasses.
Right here, I think that's where they were.
Yeah.
Just look for the fireworks all over the ground.
Yeah, right? It's a good idea. Let's light off fireworks in a campground with a bunch of tents around. It's the campsite that we wanted to get, but those people got it instead. Weird little cabin thing. Now we go to the Highlands. It's a little bumpy.
Go to the right.
Yep.
Oh, go to the left. There we go.
Oh, Jesus. I'm sure you're probably supposed to stay to the right. Holy crap.
Yeah.
We didn't want up here because it's like nothing but open. Those yurts aren't there anymore. Boo.
And there's an air-conditioned bathroom.
That's the one I asked you if you remembered.
I do now. We got in the cabin now. I guess that's a rental trailer.
Probably. They get a lot of rental trailers. Which would have been fantastic, except we're tent camping people. When we were here last time, they had a bunch of things over here called yurts. They were cool looking.
Yeah.
But they're gone.
I'm not seeing cement pads for the trailers. Your dad was asking me about that.
We saw a couple spots that had cement pads.
Yeah, but not up here.
No. Do they still have? They don't have their camper anymore, do they? Thought they, yeah, they sold it. And that's the campground.
Yep.
Now we're going home.